We got a sandwich, bologna sandwich with mayo, mustard, barbecue chips, a jalapeno, and then I got 2 tacos from last night. Big big bong. I'm hungry today. The girl's back on soda. I don't know why, but don't mind my mess. I hate reheating these type of tacos though because they're like the shell ends up being different. Taco sauce. Oh, I should just got a spoon.
Why is it only my stuff that got snapped? Mine didn't. I'm saying why is it only my stuff?
There's barbecue chips too. Wow, the shell's turning stale. I don't want it. Oh.
Like what?
Thought you're allergic. It's got nuts in it, no? I bought those barbecue chips right there. I don't know if you like them. You did an air fryer? Oh, I didn't think of that. Oh shit.
It's just 3 slices of soggy ham and an American cheese slice. That's it.
Put mayonnaise and then I put chips inside my sandwich. Hear it thundering? They're raining.
I've read like tour though, it's soggy. Why are you staring at me? You're staring at me. I wanna know what Avalon does? Or is, cause ain't this supposed to be like school food? Like
I don't have an eating disorder. How I eat like a normal person, you just watch me eat, so you think it's an eating disorder. I'm eating leftovers, and I wasn't sure about the tacos, so I made a sandwich just in case, but I like it both.
I missed them. I never got them.
What's the eating disorder? It's 11:44 and it's my first meal of the day. I should have ate breakfast too, and then lunch, and then dinner, and then probably a snack. But no, yesterday I didn't eat till like almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It was my first meal. How is that an eating disorder? I went all day long without eating till the afternoon. How is that an eating disorder? Jesus, y'all just make it seem that way because I eat on live. And that's the only thing I don't like about sodas. The gassiness, burping. And a bitch be hungry.
Just one big block of.
I'm eating earlier than what I usually do right now because I'm actually hungry.
Chew the ice or I'll suck the juice out of it. That's what I do.
I did not eat yesterday till 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, I ain't carrying the whole thing open.
Hold on.
No, I ain't. I'm not.
Yeah, I gotta clean y'all's room and wash y'all's bedding and bathroom today. I don't like Dr. Pepper. Blaze does though. It's too sweet.
Oh, no, man. Those are
Amanda, did you use my code?
No,
I want to make a ooh tuna. That sounds good. Yeah, I'm so sad. I want to go to Miami and I can't.
It's like I don't do it for that reason then, because I'm doing it now. Wow. No, it's because it only you do that.
Oh, I figured out AA.
That's what I'm saying.
It's every day for 1 hour from 7 to 8. I can either be present there or do it on the app, which is usually kind of like a video call. And it's an hour long. Something like that. One of my friends that I know goes there. And so he like told me all about it. I downloaded the app and I think I'm going to try it online. I was like, the only thing is anxiety of talking. And he's like, well, you can, like, before it starts, like, let them know that you don't feel comfortable talking yet. But I just have to be present. An hour a day from 7 to 8. Every day. They have AA. I might try it. But yeah, like I guess on the app they have like, you can get in touch with the sponsor too, and it's here where I live. It's local, and there's like different.
Mine's like just all these.
He said it's kind of hard work. There's like different things besides just the meeting every day. There's like other things you can do that kind of, I don't know, something like that. He was telling me about it.
Let me see that. I'll trade both my notes for your app.
And it kind of they kind of require a lot, but it helps get in touch with your inner self or something like that.
Which is mine. Mine. I should take it off cheese.
No, 7 to 8 in the evenings, not in the mornings, in the afternoons.
And I didn't know it. Yeah. No, I should take it off the cheese. Why is the cheese so cheesy?
Don't sit on that. You're gonna
I
break
always
the.
sit on it.
Really? You're gonna break the
Literally,
lid
no,
where it
why
won't lift
watch
no
it?
more. What if it does that? Yeah, but you never know.
I've been doing this.
Yeah.
I'll either sit on this or I'll sit on the counters.
Really?
There's
Whatever.
no way.
I don't pay attention to it just now. It's been rainy. Past couple days. Yeah, that's what I was thinking about making tonight. Some deviled eggs. Sounds good. I seen a video on TikTok where this girl set a plate of deviled eggs, and she said, seeing how many deviled eggs my dad will eat, and he kept coming back and grabbing one. She hit the camera. He ate like the whole plate. I was like, yeah. I want some deviled eggs. The crock pot. I want to make something in the crock pot.
Mom,
What?
steak burgers.
Hmm?
There's steak burgers.
Oh, yeah. I keep forgetting.
If I was to just put this in the microwave for 5 seconds.
Mark's just been wanting steak burritos.
Not ice. Water.
Itchy.
Slightly apple flavored water. Or it'd be water, because the only thing that got.
I don't know, usually I wait till way later to eat.
The apple.
But I was actually hungry.
The water don't just come out of
I was like, I need to eat. And if my body gets hungry, then I'm going to eat.
So,
And I was hungry.
I hope it sets on fire. See how there's already 2 seconds on it? I'm going to use that 2 seconds. I hope it sets on fire. It's going to be so good.
washing
I
pods.
can already tell. It's like so melted. So let me try. No.
We got some.
Like absolutely nothing came out. The stuff that did come out was probably just from the city. Time. I'll put it in there for 10 seconds. Wow. Again. Now it's fine.
We got some freaking prints. Some prints. We got to tonight. I'm gonna be going live and making 4th of July shirts. I was going to yesterday, but eh. I have this one, red, white, and brew. Red, white, and brew. I got 2 of those. This could even go on a guy's shirt. Oh yeah, for 4th of
I
July.
thought it'd be booze, not brew.
Huh?
Red, white, and booze.
Brew? Brew means like beer.
Red, white, and booze.
Booze.
Instead
Oh,
of-
that would have been cuter. I have another strawberry shortcake. I have some Stitch. I have 2 of these Stitch bows. I know some of you guys were asking for Stitch. Ohana. I have 2 of those. Then I have this cute Western one. It says Mama. No, I've been all into the Western shit. It's cute as hell. I got 2 of those. They're super cute. And then we got gnomes. We got 2 4th of July gnomes. So remember, I have those red tank tops that I got. Yeah, it's like Texas toast bread, I think. I could be wrong. And then check this out. I got 1, 2. I got 4 of these, guys. Dr. Pepper girls. Hey. And I have some red shirts. I have some white shirts. This would be cute on a white shirt. I have a cream color shirts. This would be cute even on a tan cream color shirt. I have 4 of these prints. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. So a couple more 4th of July's, which I need to get those sold. And then I got the Dr. Peppers because, I don't know, I feel like a lot of people like Dr. Pepper. So DM me if you're interested. I'll let you know what shirts I got. But tonight I'm gonna be making. Let me put these up. Tonight I'm gonna be making some shirts. I gotta get all those 4th of July ones done. What's a hair? So yeah, super cute. We're gonna make shirts tonight. Make sure you DM me if you're interested. Just DM me, y'all. That's how I can keep track of it. Message me. I do have some. I only have red tank tops. Red. That's it. And I bought them just to test them out for 4th of July. If you're in our supporters group, you guys probably seen my friend Nicole. She posted of wearing the shirt. Super cute. Haven't tried the Talkies Wendy's meal. Or the Popeyes pickle shit. I need to. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna go live tonight and do it. I'm so hungry today. I'm hungry earlier than what I usually am.
I didn't want to eat that sandwich, but I know he'd tell me to if I didn't. Alright.
This is a pickled jalapeno, so they're not hot, they're pickled. Yeah, my man eats them raw. Like literally just like the raw one. Like crunchy. Which they're good, but sometimes they can be fucking hot. If it's not too hot, I could do that, but I prefer them to be grilled. I've never been a fan of Milani foundations and shit. They're too thick for me. I don't like thick foundation. But yeah, I think I want to make deviled eggs tonight. I need to quit the sodas. Too sweet. Ugh. Yeah, and they'd be hot. Hello? Also, I have phone cases, guys. If anyone is interested in phone cases, I need to get them sold. But I got shit to do, so I'm gonna hop up off of here. I love you guys. Have a great day. This is my random ass lunch. I don't know what the fuck. Just some leftovers and then a sandwich because I was like, I didn't think I was going to like the leftover tacos, but I ended up eating it. So, we full now. Tell me why I want some ice cream. Message me. DM me on this page if you're interested in a phone case, a junk case, t-shirt, 4th of July t-shirt, mirror, anything like that. Let me know. I want to say, Pauline, I only have one 14 Pro Max left, I believe. A lot of people have 14 Pro Maxes. I should have bought more of them. DM me, you guys. I cannot do orders and information up on the live stream. Message me if you're interested. I'm going to check my messages right now. Message me. DM me, baby. Message ho. Yeah, ever heard that fucking ringtone? This hat is so freaking. Love you guys. Bye.